My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new ransomware that is called Shiel. Shiel is the ransomware that may inject its malicious roots into the majority of browsers. Shiel ransomware may damage pictures, music, and all other documents. As you can clearly see, before the ransomware's attack, we are able to open all of our files without troubles. Sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this Shiel ransomware may be quite easily injected into the system. And so the ransomware is called like that because it encrypts files and also appends this Shiel extension to the file names. And as a result, it is impossible to use the data. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file recovery. So don't waste your money, don't pay the ransom. And this is that ransom note I was talking about. By the way, there is another ransom note too. It is formalized as a text file titled as readme.txt. Once again, do not pay the ransom. I recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus program. I recommend you to use Cleaner Antivirus by going to the website combocleaner.com. By the way, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser for that purpose, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be damaged by this ransomware. So go to the page combocleaner.com, use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install the application, and then start researching the system. Click on Start Scan button. As you see, the software is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. After you click on Start Scan button, the application would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or any other threats. And then after the scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus has been successfully accomplished, the software begins giving you the report about all types of threats which were found. Of course, based on that report, some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner, which is a much better solution to keep your data always protected from further ransomware attacks. After the scanning is successfully accomplished, as I said, you will see the summary of infections. Combo Cleaner works very well to remove this particular Shiel ransomware. But Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It has got anti-ransomware feature which removes the ransomware and protects the data, but it does not decrypt files. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data. And you can upgrade to premium. You can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner.